A Christian. Okay, you're going to take oath, get a Bible, and swear to speak the truth.
Say aye.
I, Dr. Nwamanya Emmanuel, do swear that the evidence I shall give judging this matter before court shall be the truth, the whole truth, but nothing but the truth.
Doctor, if you prefer to sit down, you will let us know.
Yes, my lord.
Not like that. Please, you'll be ahead of you. Okay. What are your full names again?
Dr. Nwamanya Emmanuel. I am
Doctor, how old are you?
52 years old.
And what do you do for a living?
My lord, I'm a medical doctor and I work as a police surgeon. Currently, I hold the post of a Deputy Director, Police Health Services. I sit
You're
at
currently
Uganda
holding the the post of?
Deputy Director, Police Health Services, my lord.
Where are you based?
I'm based at Zambia, the Directorate headquarters. It also hosts a police health center. I've been working.
Doctor would be asking you.
Yes, my lord.
It is based at Zambia, at the Directorate headquarters. That's what you said?
Yes, my lord.
Ono bamuyita Dr. Nwamanya Emmanuel nga wa myaka 52 egy'obukulu, musawo era akola n'ekitongole kya police nga ye Deputy Director w'ebyobulamu mu police era atuula Nsambya ku kitebe ekikulu ekya police ate nga kwe kuli n'eddwaliro erya police.
Doctor, what are your qualifications?
My lord, I hold a Master's of Medicine in Psychiatry from Okello University. Obtained in the year 2011. I also hold a Bachelor of Medicine from Barara University.
Bachelor of
Medicine and Surgery, my lord. From Barara University, which I obtained in the year 2000.
Do you hold any other qualifications apart from those two?
My lord, I hold other qualifications in management and short courses in forensic medicine.
Sorry?
I hold a certificate in management and other short courses on forensic medicine.
Omusawo ono yasoma alina obuyigirize obwa masters ez'abasawo nga yakuguka mu by'obwongo nga yabisomera mu University ya Makerere n'amara nga 2011 era yasoma ne bachelors ni oba degree esooka mu busawo yakisomera ku University y'Embarara n'amara omwaka gw'e2000 n'agamba era yasoma yalina obuyigiriza obulala obukwata ku bukulembeze ne ku byokunoonyereza nga weesigamye ku busawo.
So for how long have you been practicing medicine?
My Lord, I've been practicing medicine for 25 years now.
Sorry, doctor, please speak through the microphone.
My Lord, I've practiced for 25 years.
And as a psychiatric doctor at the facility, what are your duties?
My Lord, at the facility I work as a psychiatrist, but also I do general practice, which includes treating patients, I also examine and assess persons brought to me by police for different categories, which include the following:
Yes.
Victims of crime, suspects of crime, or people who have been injured.
Okay.
Agambye alina obukugu bwa myaka 25 ng'omusawo era ku mirimu gye agamba ajjanjaba obwongo nti ate n'abalwadde abalala nabo abajjanjaba ate amanyi n'okukebera abantu nga poliisi baleese asooke abakebere ng'abantu abatuusibwako obulabe, abantu abakoze emisango n'abantu ababeera nga bafunye ebisago.
How do you come to examine suspects of crime?
My Lord, suspects are brought to me by police officers, and after assessing them, I make reports on the police form and hand it back to the police officers.
Which police form?
My Lord, suspects are brought on police form 24 or 24A, depending on the case, my Lord.
24 or what?
24A, my Lord.
Nti abantu ababa bazize emisango abapoliisi babamutwalira okubakebera nti bw'amala kubakebera n'awandiika report oba n'abawandiikira biki byalabye oluvannyuma report egyo n'addamu n'agisindika ku poliisi.
How do you identify police form 24 that you authored?
My Lord, I can identify it through recognizing my handwriting, my signature and stamp of the office, my lord.
N'agamba nti bwe bamulaga ripooti gye yawandiika asobola kugitegeerera ku mukono gwe ku siginicha ye ate ne stampu y'eddwaliro gy'akolera.
Want you to look at the form and tell court if you recognize it.
My lord, I can confirm this is a form that was given to me and I'm the author of the report.
Bamuwadde ripooti n'akakasa nti yeeyo gye yawandiika.
Who did you examine?
My lord, it was a form that originated from Gaba police
Doctor,
station.
now you follow me. It's okay. Just follow me. I know.
My lord, it was in respect of a chosen person, Christopher Okello Onyum.
Read the names again.
Christopher Okello Onyum.
When did you examine him?
I examined the person on the 7th of April, 2026, my lord.
Nti mu ripooti eyo Eyakebera omusibe gwe bayita Christopher Okello Onyum nga nnaku z'omwezi 7 ogwokuna 2026.
Who was the requesting, what entity?
My lord, it originated from a police station, Gaba police station.
Kyabaali bamusabye okwekebejja omusibe baali ba poliisi ey'eggaba.
Under what case reference?
CRB 026 2026.
Era nga ku poliisi y'eggaba omusango baali baguwadde enamba nga 026/2026.
Doctor, do you still recognize the person that you examined?
Yes, my lord.
Is he in this court?
My lord, the person examined is the one across.
Agamba nti omuntu gwe yakebera ye omuntu ali mu maaso ge.
Please take court through your findings.
My lord, I found him to be 39 years old and he had injuries. He had
What
abrasions.
injuries?
He had abrasions on the forehead, the right side, which measured 1 centimeter by 0.5 centimeters. He had bruises above the right eye,
Bruises above. Yes.
of the size 1.5 centimeters by 1 centimeter. had bruises on his abdomen, the left side. Of the size 4 centimeters by 2 centimeters.
Doctor, could you please go back to the bruises on the abdomen?
Above the right eye, my lord.
Abdomen.
Abdomen.
Bruises on the abdomen.
Yes, on the left side, which measured 4 centimeters by 2 centimeters.
Yes.
More bruises on the abdomen on the right side, measuring 2 centimeters by 1 centimeter.
Measuring
2 centimeters by 1 centimeter. You also had bruises across the back, measuring 8 centimeters by 3 centimeters, my lord. The injuries were due to blunt force.
were due to injuries were due to
Blunt force. They were dry and healing about 3 to 4 days old. On mental examination, my lord,
let them first interpret that.
bwe yamukebera yasanga nga yali wa myaka 39 egy'obukulu, nga yali alina ebisago ng'azimbye ku mutwe, era nga yali alina enkwagulo waggulu w'eriiso erya ddyo, nga ne ku lubuto sayidi ya ddyo naye nga yali alinaku enkwagulo, ne mu mugongo nti era naye nti enkwagulo ezo zaali zikaze nga ziri mu kuwona, nga kirabika yali yazifuna ennaku 3 ku 4 emabega.
Proceed, doctor.
on mental examination, my lord, he had normal behavior. He was calm.
You are going to go slow. Yes.
He was calm and cooperative. Speech was coherent. His memory intact and exhibited good judgment. His thought process and content
The thought process and what?
and content was normal. But believed in wealth by human sacrifice. He was able to explain the reasons for killing the children, as fortune hunting or enrichment. he got the idea on recalling childhood folk tales of getting wealth, childhood folk tales of getting wealth by sacrificing people. My lord, I noted the following. He had history of past mental illness.
What was the source of what you noted?
My lord, the source was from Mr. Okello himself.
What did he tell you?
He had history of past mental illness treated between the year 2016 to 2025.
Between?
The year 2016 to 2025, which was associated with both auditory and visual hallucinations.
Which was?
Associated with both auditory and visual hallucinations.
The first word is?
Auditory.
Can you spell it for court?
My lord, it is AUDITORY. And visual.
What else did he tell you?
That he killed his 2 to 3 year old brother in the year 2016 or 2017.
In which year?
2016 to 2017, my lord. Reportedly to save him from troubles of this world. He also attempted suicide in the year 2023.
He was giving you that information?
Yes, my lord.
That what?
That he attempted suicide in the year 2023.
Did he reveal any other information to you?
My lord, he revealed to me that he was suffering from sickle cell disease and on treatment.
Yes.
My lord, the findings above I noted are suggestive of a mental condition with psychotic episodes, are suggestive of a mental condition with psychotic episodes.
Doctor, the above findings are suggestive of
a mental condition with psychotic episodes. Further mental assessment.
Just a minute. What is it that you refer to as the findings above?
My lord, the findings about having had a mental breakdown and treated in the hospital. And,
I'm getting lost. The findings above are in respect of the information he gave you, or in respect of your examination?
Your assessment, yes.
my lord, on the information that he provided, that under my note.
Were you in position to verify the information that he gave to you
No,
under your note?
no, my lord, I was not able to verify it.
Why?
My lord, the only source of information was Mr. Okello himself. And he had no medical documents. That was the reason, my lord, I could not verify it.
Dr. Wood, the availability, how would the availability of medical documents have affected the mental health assessment that you made?
My lord, the availability of the documents would have stated whether his condition cured and he was discharged as a functional person.
Okay, you can.
Bwe yamukebera obwongo yasanga nga yali yeeyisa bulungi nga mukaakamu era ng'akwatagana naye bulungi, ng'ayogera bulungi, nti ng'ajjukira bulungi ate ng'asobola na kwesayirawo bulungi, nti yali alowooza bulungi, nti ate yali akkiririza nti asobola okufuna ebyobugagga ng'amaze okusaddaaka abantu. N'agamba nti nti yamunnyonnyola ensonga lwaki yatta abaana, n'agamba nti yabata ng'ayagala bya bugagga, nti ekyo yakifuna ng'amaze okujjukira engero ze bamugamba ng'akyali muto, nga bagamba nti asobola kusaddaaka abantu n'afuna ebyobugagga. Nti bwe yali ayogera naye yalaba nga yali ayina bali bamufunyeeko obulwadde bw'omutwe, nti ate baabujjanjaba wakati wa
The one who gave that information to the doctor.
Okay. Nti omwami Okello yagamba musawo nti bali bamujjanjabyeko obulwadde bw'obwongo wakati wa 2016 ne 2025, nti ate obulwadde obwo yalabanga ebintu oluusi n'awulira ebintu ebyogera naye, n'agamba nti era yattako ne muganda we wakati wa 2016 ne 2017, nga yali alowooza nti kyali kisobola okumutaasa embeera gye yali ayitamu. Era n'addamu n'amugamba nti yagezaako okwetta mu 2023 era n'amugamba nti yali alina obulwadde bwa nnalubiri oba sickle cells naye nga yali ku ddagala, nti okusinziira ku bye yamugamba kyali kiraga nti yali alina obulwadde bw'omutwe oba obw'obwongo naye nga bwali bujja ne bugenda nti naye teyakikakasa nti okuba nti yeyeka ye yamugamba ebyo bye yali amugambye, wabula yali talina mpapula zonna eziva omusawo, y'ensonga lwaki ye teyakakasa oba kyali kituufu oba nedda. Singa yali alina ebipapula ebiva omusawo byandilaze oba obulwadde obwo oba bujanjaba n'awonera ddala ne bamuleka agende ng'omuntu eyali akola bulungi.
So, Doctor, notwithstanding the absence of documents of his medical history that you refer to, were you in position to ascertain his mental capacity at that time your examination? And what did you ascertain for clarity of court?
Yes, my lord, I was able to assess his mental state at that time. And I found he was in a stable state at that time, my lord.
Now, in your report
Yes.
and in your own assessment, you have told court that he was able to explain the reasons for killing the children as fortune hunting or an enrichment. According to your assessment, was this reason that he gave for the killing of the children caused by any abnormal mental state?
My lord, I would answer no, because
Let me understand the question, Mr. Mwaganya. What is the question?
My lord, the question is that the doctor says the accused told him that the accused was able to explain the reason for killing the children as fortune hunting and enrichment. So I'm requiring the doctor, in his perspective and out of his assessment, could that reason given have been caused by any abnormal mental state
Could it have been caused? Could it have been influenced?
or influenced, my lord, for lack of a better word?
Okay. Yes, doctor, you can answer that question.
my lord, no, because when I assessed him, he was not undergoing symptoms that influence the killing of the children.
Because when you assessed him, you can repeat that, doctor?
He was not undergoing symptoms that could have caused killing of the children.
Doctor, did you sign the report?
My lord, I signed the report. This is my signature.
And when?
This was on the 7th of April, 2026.
My lord, I pray to tender the police form 24 as an exhibit.
Mr. Kumbuga or Mr. Sarah, who is replying?
No objection. Okay, the PF 24 in respect of Christopher Okello Onyum, authored by Dr. Nwamanya Emmanuel, is admitted and it is marked PEX 7.
Report omusawo ono Nuwamanya Emmanuel gye yakeberako Mr. Okello ng'ennaku z'omwezi 7 ogwokuna bagikiriza mu kooti ng'ekizibito eky'omusanvu obw'oludda olwabi.
Mr. Mwaganya, any other questions for him?
My
Before-
Lord, that is all from him.
Okay, could I please propose that we take a health break of 10 minutes?
Most obliged.
Tujja kukomawo oluvannyuma lw'eddakiika 10.